Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, guys. Subscribe. There's more content in this channel. Interviews, close to 12 episodes that we have dropped. Make sure you go and check those out. Guys, I want to talk about Matric result. I want to congratulate the class for 2023. Congratulations, guys. Now you're going to big boy schools now. So make sure you go there with an aim of passing, because there's a lot of temptation, guys. And then there's a lot of fake colleges. You'll see some colleges being posted on the street, the street lights everywhere. So make sure, guys, you research first before you you apply for that college, because your money will be chowed, guys. There's a lot of scammers out there. Make sure that your college is legit, or the varsity that you're going is well known. Special colleges, not even varsities. Colleges are the ones who have like thousands scammers for colleges that doesn't exist. Make sure that you do check those colleges out. And then what else? Scammers, guys. People mustn't come and say to you, guys, we're gonna help you apply for to go inside, apply for rest, apply for this, apply for that. Everything is done online now. Make sure that your things is done online, guys. Don't take your money and give to these people. They'll chow your money. Wake up, guys, wake up. Now it's a new era now. Everything is being done online. Make sure you do your things online, guys. And then what else I wanted to talk about some few things that I wrote down. And then don't relax, guys, when you are in college or varsity, because those results, they are the ones who are gonna say is that it's either they're gonna cancel your NSFAS, or your rest will be cancelled, or anything if you're not performing. Make sure you remember what you are there for. Don't get twisted, because lifestyle of colleges and varsities is nice and everything, and people lose themselves. Make sure you stay focused. Stay focused, guys. And then when it comes to lifestyle, we're gonna see living, eating nice, dressing nice, and all those things. Don't get twisted, guys. We are coming from different backgrounds, so stay humble, stay who you are. Don't forget your mission, why you are there for at school. And then make sure, if you don't qualify, guys, or maybe you just partially passed, you didn't hit those levels that they want, make sure you upgrade your result, guys. That's the only advice that I'm going to give you. Make sure you upgrade your result, because now you'll end up doing something that you don't want to, just because you qualify for a certain courses, So make sure you upgrade your result, so you can do what you want. You can take a gap year, upgrading your matric result, if so. So make sure, guys, that you get what you want, guys. Don't go to the college and just take a course, just to show off, because you are in a college or you are at school out there. No, go and do what you want. And then if you are not ready, again, if you're not ready, or your results are not so good, make sure you take a gap year. Make sure you upgrade your result. Don't just go there and take what you qualified for, because bunch of you guys, you go to the matric, you go to colleges and everything, you do your things, and you don't get a job, because there's no space for what you went school for. So make sure you upgrade the result, guys. Again, congratulations for the classes for 2023 who made it. Go and make us proud out there. So stay tuned, guys. Don't forget, guys, we dropped close to 12 episodes, interviews. So go and check those out. See you soon, man.